Now you want to do it backwards? Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Number 10.
T-E-N.
Yeah.
N-I-N-E.
Yeah.
E-I-V-A-T.
Yeah.
S-E-V-E-N.
Yeah.
S-I-D.
S-I.
X.
That's right.
S-I-X. F-I-V-E.
Yep.
F-O-U-R.
Yep.
T-H-E-O-E.
That's right.
C-W-O-O-N-E.
Yep. One. How do you spell 0?
I don't know how to spell that number.
Yes, you do. Z.
Dad
E.
said he.
R.
Oh.
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 Are you going to be happy when your bed comes?
Soon.
It's coming soon. You're right.
I have to take the big towel.
Okay.